Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu Jain and you are watching Encyclo Hub. In this video, we are discussing the IBO04 and before starting this, I want to share something. We are the company which we provide all type of solutions, any subject, any course, any type of questions that you want to know. So you can share our number, you can save our number in your contact list for future purposes, or if you need answers so you can contact us on this number. Just send your PDF on this number. We provide all the solution in a day. The question number 2 is, what do you mean by documentary credit? What is the method of realizing payments under documents against payments? What are the documents required under letter of credit? Discuss various kinds of letter of credit. So this type of we need a answer of this question, so you can contact us or our WhatsApp number. We provide all type of questions in a day. So thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video.